Display solutions designed to sell fresh food are the core of what Structural Concepts does. Today, we'd like to thank you for your purchase of your new display unit and show you the key steps in setting up your unit to help you serve your customers with the freshest foods while you maximize your profits. When your unit is safely uncrated, make sure you inspect the unit from top to bottom. When you've completed the visual inspection, you will need a screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Make sure you locate the unit's user manual and product registration card and return it to Structural Concepts. Do not discard this piece of information before you complete this step. Depending on your unit, the shelves may be shipped in or out of the display. In the Oasis, the shelves are shipped in. Carefully remove all of the cardboard that supports the shelves during shipping. Next, remove the orange lock pins and discard them. They are only necessary during shipping. If your unit is equipped with LED lights, find the location for the connection and plug in the shelves. If you're adjusting the position of the shelves, make sure that you unplug the LED lights before you move the shelf. Remove all protective plastic film from the shelves at this point. Next, remove the condenser cover of the unit that's held on by magnets. Locate the screws at the bottom of both sides that hold the condenser unit in place during shipping. Remove and discard the screws so that your condenser unit can be easily slid out for cleaning and maintenance. You can now place your unit and use the levelers to assure that your case is ready to be plugged in and switched on to begin service. If your unit is equipped with automatic clean sweep, it will cycle every 24 hours after the unit has been switched on. The men and women of Structural Concepts in Muskegon, Michigan would like to say thank you for your purchase.